Namaste everyone. This is my first video of Aatmadarshan series. This is the beginning of a new series of meditation. Please enjoy it with me. Gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to this space. Feel your body. Pay attention to your thoughts. And just be a witness of everything that is happening in your body, in your mind, around you. And come at ease with all that is happening inside and around. Relax your body. And to relax your body, you have to pay attention to your whole body. And if you find any tension anywhere in the body, just let it go. Relax. Come at ease. Start paying attention to your own breath. Just the way it's flowing. There's no need of deepening or shortening it. Just pay attention to your breath. Moving in, moving out. And through all this, be joyful. Feel nice for being here, for being present for this meditation. Feel nice just for the fact that you cared for yourself. This is the right background to begin any meditation. The happy place. Now become aware of the whole body. Intensely aware. Just feel your physical body. Move your awareness through your whole body. And now imagine you are seeing the room that you're sitting in with your closed eyes. You are well accustomed of the placements of objects around you. So just imagine that you are looking at your room all around, even though your eyes are closed. And it is fine. You don't have to be absolutely perfect when it is about looking from inner eyes. Just imagine the objects in front, objects on your sides, objects behind, all the walls around you, the floor beneath you, the ceiling above you, the furnitures. Just for a few moments, just spend time in this observation. Imagine you have an inner eye that can look around even though your physical eyes are shut. And now imagine that there is a mirror in front of you, right in front of you. And of course, when you look in the mirror, You look at your own reflection. So look at your own reflection, your own body. Your physical eyes are closed, so even the physical eyes of your reflection is closed. But you're observing the whole body in the mirror. Just adore yourself. Observe your own body. Observe your head, your face, your facial features, your shoulders, your arms, your frontal body, your legs, the clothes you're wearing, and the pleasantness that you are carrying. You can also feel your own vibe. You can feel how profound your presence is. Now slowly navigate your attention in the center of your chest. And as soon as your attention moves in the center of the chest, in your reflection, your reflective body becomes transparent. And you can go inside the center of your chest. And you reach to a place that is your spiritual heart. Feel that you are looking at your spiritual heart with a deep sense of inquiry and devotion. The rest of the physical body has become transparent, so you can look inside. But you're not looking at any flesh or bone or organs. The whole body, even the inner body, has become transparent. There is no solid stuff. It's just pure field of vibration. And your awareness is fixed at the center of your heart, the heart cavity. And now a flame, a solitary flame that has no base of oil or lamp, just a pure flame appears at your heart center. Just fix your inner attention to this flame. This flame is the doorway to your self-realization. So give your undivided attention to this flame. And now imagine your attention has moved forward. Your eyes have moved forward. Now the spiritual heart, the solitary flame, is just a foot away. and you're looking at it from a close distance. Keep looking at this flame. The deep inquiry and devotion. And now let all the mirror, physical body in reflection, vibration body, pranic body disappear. Let only that flame exist in your attention. You and your flame. Now take a long deep breath in. And as you exhale, let that flame also disappear. Become aware of your natural breathing. You can keep it a bit longer and deeper so that you draw your attention back to your physical body. And drop your chin down. Take your time. Slowly open your eyes, look down. Slowly raise your gaze. So this was my first meditation of Aatmadarshan series. I will make more videos. Meanwhile, enjoy this and let me know if you have any suggestion, inquiry, or request. Thank you.